Welcome to this video showcase of the Ksolves Odoo SaaS Toolkit. This solution allows you to launch, manage, and scale hundreds of Odoo instances efficiently from a single centralized dashboard. The Ksolves Odoo SaaS Toolkit helps agencies sell Odoo as a SaaS business in minutes. Replace manual, error-prone deployments with a platform that offers auto-scaling, rolling updates, CI/CD support, and 99.9% uptime. What sets Ksolves apart? Unlike other kits that struggle with scalability, Ksolves supports hundreds of tenants via a multi-server architecture. Benefit from one-click auto-deployment, centralized bulk updates, and optimized managed hosting for superior performance. Our toolkit includes powerful deployment and scaling features, such as support for both self-hosted and remote servers, horizontal cluster deployment, multi-version Odoo support, and instant instance creation with database templates. Enhance your client experience with professional branding. We offer custom domain flexibility, domain masking for cleaner URLs, personalized app packages, third-party integration support, email trapping for testing, and dedicated staging tools. Scale your business with ease using built-in monetization tools. Features include configurable subscription plans, automated invoicing, expiration management for contracts, free trial options, user restriction controls, and granular role-based access for your team. Experience the benefits of dedicated performance, where every server has its own resources. Enjoy complete data control, enterprise-grade security, automated S3 or SFTP backups, continuous monitoring, and simple administration through our unified dashboard. Choose the deployment model that fits your needs. Opt for Ksolves hosted SaaS for a fully managed experience, or use our client SaaS model to manage your own server hardware while we handle the platform software. Ready to get started? Replaces low, manual processes today with a centralized, scalable Odoo deployment platform. Start your 30-day free trial now, no credit card required. Visit our website for more information.